Hello, and welcome to this video describing the cloud-init feature for creating instances on the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. The cloud-init feature enables you to include additional configuration instructions for an instance created in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. There are two different data types supported, cloud config data and user data. Cloud config comprises YAML instructions for configuring an instance, and user data comprises shell script instructions. Each data type can be provided in any one of a variety of formats, including gzip, compressed, MIME, or other data types shown on the list. In this video, we will use a bash shell script as the user data type. The Cloud Init feature is available for the standard set of virtual machines and bare metal shapes in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console interface for creating instances. By default, these shapes include a boot volume and a primary VNIC. Every Oracle-provided Linux image can be configured with cloud-init. Here you see the sample script we will use. The configuration goal in this video is to enable and run the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Utilities daemon in an instance. When the daemon runs, it automatically handles attachment of block volumes and secondary VNICs. We'll start by taking a look at a recently created Oracle Linux 8 instance. Use the command sudo systemctl status ocid.service to see that the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure utilities have been installed, but the daemon is not running. This is the default condition. Now we'll create a new instance and enable and run the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Utilities daemon as the default. From the instance list, click on Create Instance to get started. I'll give the instance a name. I'll select an availability domain. I'll use the default image, Oracle Linux 8, and I'll use the default shape. I'll select a VCN and subnet, but am not showing this part for security purposes. I'll provide a public key so that I can use my private key to log into this instance. Now I'll scroll down and click on Show Advanced Options. Here is where I can enter the bash script that I mentioned earlier in this video. If your script is stored in a file on the local host where the browser is running, you can choose to select the file. I'll use the paste option and type the 3-line script directly. The first line tells us this is a bash shell script. The second line, sudo systemctl enable ocid.service, enables the daemon to run after a reboot. And the third line, sudo systemctl start ocid.service, starts the daemon so that it runs immediately after the instance is created. Click Create to launch the instance. The instance details page appears and the status of the instance is provisioning as shown below the orange eye icon. After a few seconds, the instance is ready to access. I'll log into this instance from a terminal window on my laptop using the new instance private IP address and the SSH private keep file. I'll acknowledge the authenticity. Now enter the command sudo systemctl status ocid.service. Earlier we saw that the normal condition of the Oracle Cloud Utilities is installation only. After executing the cloud init script, you see that the OCID service is running. This concludes this demonstration of the cloud init feature for Linux instances in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Thank you for watching. For more information, refer to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure documentation, and for additional training videos like this, go to www.oracle.com/go/Linux Cloud Learning.